In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question 1, part 3. And question we have, the function f(x) is equal to integral of x and then square root of x plus 1 dx. We have to integrate this. So see, first of all, this x is outside the parenthesis. It means you have to multiply x by under root x and then you have to multiply x by 1 as well, right? So integral of, but in the first step we will make the power, instead of this radical sign we will write down 1 by 2 because this square root is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 dx. In next step we are going to multiply. So in multiplication, when you have the same basis, see this is x, the exponent will add. So this exponent is 1 over 2 plus 1 and then x by dx. Now here is x, we will add the exponent which is 3 by 2 plus x dx. It will be dx. Individually we will do the integration, and in this step now we are going to remove this integral sign. So what is the way to remove it? It is very easy. Whatever is the exponent of the variable, this is 3 over 2, you have to add 1. So our new exponent is 3 over 2 plus 1. Now this is integral sign has been removed. Now come here. So this is x and the power of x is 1. You have to add 1 here. The new power or new exponent is 1 plus 1. So whenever you have to remove this integral sign at this step, you have to add the constant of integration which is called c. So here I will do the remaining part. We will add the exponent. It is x raised to power 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 plus x square divided by 2 plus constant of integration. So here we have a double reciprocal. See, x raised to power, this is the power 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. So it will be 2 over 5 x raised to power 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2 x square will remain the same, and c, this is our answer. But this exponent I can write down here. This is the exponent x raised to power 5 over 2. So this is our answer. Now suppose in exam you want to check whether you did your integration correct or not, but this is not part of your question. You can check it. You know that integration and differentiation, these are opposite of each other. So this is the integration. Now you have to take the derivative of this in order to see whether your answer is right or wrong. So how we will do the derivation? 2 over 5 is already there. 5 over 2 is the exponent. So it will come here as a coefficient x 5 over 2. Now here you have to subtract one power. In differentiation you have to subtract. In integration you have to add. Same thing here, 1 over 2 we already have. 2 is the exponent. It will come here x2 minus 1, and constant of integration, the derivative of this is 0. This 5 will cross this, 2 will cross this. When you will solve this, it is equal to 3 over 2 and then plus x. So see, this is exactly same this whatever we did here, x raised to power 3 over 2 plus x. It means your integration is right. But still, if any point is not clear, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.